This is going to be today's video review for the weekend on Saturday, November the 14th, 2015 for Drummond Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So we've all been in those trading rooms where there's a lot of chaos going on. There's a lot of questions. The head trader in charge is giving out answers. He's calling signals. He's giving all kinds of information back and forth to a whole group of traders simultaneously. And I'll admit that that would be a wonderful thing to provide traders, in the sense that we could all sit and we could see how well my trading's going. I'm just not convinced that, having been in several trading rooms, that this is actually going to be helpful to the trader in the long run. Because one of the things that we pride ourselves on is providing some very specific leans. For example, on the left chart, what we have is we have two sets of energy bands. We have this thick pink upper energy band and this thick lower green energy band. And this is an opportunity for us to trade from the top to the bottom, or the bottom to the top. So in other words, we have target expectations. And then we also have these inside bands here. This is the dark purples here and here. We have an expectation to trade across it. So the scalper has an opportunity to scalp across these tighter bands, and someone that's looking for more opportunity, that understands some theory, for example, would look to trade between this upper pink to the upper green, and also look for one of them to break under certain theoretical conditions. Now, we teach the theory in the course, but let's look at some very specific examples with someone who has no theory at all, looking to trade the market, scalping between this upper purple to this lower purple. And we're going to do so when we come to a reference level. For example, on the left chart, we've got this thick white dotted line that's shown here on the right chart. So once we get a red brick, we would go short, and we would target our lower energy band here. You'll notice that we reach our target, price pops back on up into this area here with the white dotted line in our upper energy band for this down pink arrow on the left chart. So on another red brick, our trader goes short, and he reaches his lower energy band here for his scalp. And of course, the market goes lower. Understanding a little bit of theory goes a long way for this particular trade. So we'll look at a couple other examples here. You can see on the left chart, we've got two up green arrows for this lower energy band. So our lower energy band here gets tagged on a green brick. Our trader would go long, targeting this upper pink energy band for a scalp. So the second signal would present itself here. This is the same up green arrow on the left chart, and the market would go up and reach this upper pink energy band here. A little bit of theory with this would target our upper energy band up here, and it comes very, very close to hitting it within about a tick. Then as price rallies up, we come in again to our left chart's white dotted line here for a potential short to scalp across the energy bands. We'd get short here, mission accomplished, reach the lower energy band there. On this next down pink arrow here on the left chart, we've drawn here, we've tagged this upper white dotted line here, and the market goes south again. So there's a lot of opportunity with reaching the lower green energy band, and then the higher charts green lower energy band, which is located here at about 23. So we teach that in the Masters of the Universe course, but somebody with no theory whatsoever that's waiting for these reference levels that are automatically drawn for you presents an enormous amount of opportunity in the market each and every day. If you're interested in getting rid of your indicators and all that other sophisticated mumbo jumbo and boiling it down into a very, very simple method using automatically drawn reference levels, send us an email at jb@drummondenergybands.com. Thank you.